Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Binance account. So let's get started. So first you will have to go to the official website of Binance, which is binance.com. And now once you are here, you will have to click on where it says login. Once you will click on login, you will have to enter your email address. And now it's gonna ask for our password, but we don't remember our password. So we'll have to click on forget password and then click on continue. And after clicking on continue, we will have to re-enter our email address and then we will have to verify that we are human. Once it is done, Binance will send a verification code to our email. So let's see if we have received any email from Binance. So as you can see, I have received an email from Binance. So what we will have to do is just copy this code and paste it over here. Then click on next. As our verification code was correct, so now we can reset our password by entering a new password and then enter it again to confirm it. So that's it. That's how you can recover your Binance account.